I would ask a naive question, which is in terms of explainability, and let's focus on deep learning models. Like, what is the state of the art across any model architecture or use case or whatever? Like, what do you think of as the best that's out there?
I think one of the hardest things about this space is that if you talk about what explainable AI is and whether or not something counts as explainable AI, people will differ really, really vigorously on that. I think if we look practically in terms of what are people shipping today, calling explainability, saying this is a functional version of explainability, it's things like, Shapely scores. I think, there feature activations. I think that's really the level that people are at with explainability, or things like feature visualizations. I think that's practically what people often mean when they say explainability today, but
Yeah.
that's not how I think about it.
Like, I found the stripes, it's a tiger, right? Like that sort of thing.
Yeah, or I think one of the things that really elucidated this is if you look at NIST, and everyone out there has been trying to come up with different segmentations and formalizations of what is explainability and what are these other terms. And NIST has one division that's probably as reasonable as anyone else's, of explainability versus interpretability. But it's a perfect case study in how tortured this whole thing is, because their definition is basically like, explainability is some stuff. If someone shows you some stuff, and someone somewhere says that's useful, counts as explainability. Interpretability is something that actually allows you to understand what is going on, right? And that's basically their definition. And it really makes you scratch your head, because you're like, if I can't interpret it, like,
Oh, yeah.
was anything explained to me?